Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on your iPhone without downloading the application. Many people want to enjoy their favorite games without filling up their phone storage, and I'm here to show you how. We'll explore some fantastic cloud gaming options that let you stream Roblox directly to your device, giving you instant access to all the fun. It's a convenient way to game on the go. Cloud gaming is a revolutionary way to play, and it's perfect for enjoying Roblox without a download. Essentially, the game runs on powerful computers in the cloud, and the video feed is streamed directly to your iPhone. This means your phone doesn't need to do all the heavy lifting, saving you precious storage and processing power. We'll look at some of the top services that make this possible, bringing your favorite games to you instantly. Ready to dive in? First, you'll need to select a cloud gaming service that offers Roblox and is available where you are. Once you've picked one, simply create an account and subscribe if necessary. Then, you can usually access the service right through your iPhone's web browser. Search for Roblox and you're good to go. For an even better experience, consider connecting a compatible controller, though touch controls often work too. To get the most out of your cloud gaming experience, a strong and stable internet connection is key. Wi-Fi is usually best to avoid any lag or interruptions. Also, keep an eye on your data usage if you're playing on a cellular network, as streaming can consume a fair amount. Remember to compare different services for their subscription costs and the games they offer. Finally, for truly immersive play, a dedicated gaming controller can make a huge difference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.